Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm currently 31 days out. It's February 14th. Yeah, 31 days out from my first competition. I'm doing the NPC San Diego Championships, men's physique category. So yeah, this is my first competition, and so far the Lord's been blessing me with the opportunity to do this and give me the strength and ability to compete. So yeah, whatever I do, it all goes to the Lord. All the glory goes to God. So He's definitely helped me throughout this whole contest prep. So yeah, basically I'm going to show you what I do on a daily life of contest prep. And usually when I wake up, I'll pray and read the Bible. This morning I read, I'm in Genesis chapter 33. I'm starting from the beginning of the Bible to the end. So I recommend you guys read the Bible. It's the only way to live the life, you know, because this is the life that God gave us. So anyways, yeah, today I learned just make sure you guys are always like forgiving each other, one another, just as God forgave us. So yeah, that's what I learned today. So right now I'm about to do fasted cardio. I'm gonna try to do at least 25 minutes, 30 minutes. I'm gonna go for a run to the park, jog to the park, and then do some jump rope, some HIIT jump rope, high intensity interval training. But before that, I'm gonna have a scoop of BCAAs, so I won't lose any muscle mass. I want to do cardio, so that's one thing I want to not do, is lose muscle while I'm doing my cut. So yeah, let's get it. Shout out excavation. So yeah guys, cheers. That's pineapple.
Contain us, and this will keep us together now. These two hearts beating as one. We won't finish until you're done. Our hearts beating as one. Into the distance, then we're gone.
Alright, so I did cardio for 30 minutes and then I just did 10 minutes of abs. So right now, I'm about to make me a whey protein shake. I'll probably eat a banana too to get some quick reacting carbs and the protein to my muscles and my body. Alright, before I drink that protein shake, I'm going to show you guys a physique update and a little bit of some posing for men's physique, which I need a lot of practice on. But yeah, here we go.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So yeah, that's how I'm looking right now. Next is whey protein shake. Gotta get that fast, quick reacting protein to the muscles. So I'm doing a scoop of diamondized whey iso 100, like 7/8 of a scoop actually. Quarter-half scoop of Metrics iso, and then I'm gonna add some cinnamon because I love cinnamon. Cinnamon kind of guy, you know. I love apple fritters, anything with like cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh, can't wait to eat one after competition for sure, and lunch. And I love like peanut butter, so I'm gonna get like a peanut butter jelly donut somehow. If you guys know any places that sell peanut butter jelly donuts, let me know because I want to get one. Craving it. Also gonna have half of a banana with my shake. Just get some extra carbs in, quick reacting carbs, and some extra potassium. And the other half of the banana I'm gonna eat with my oatmeal and eggs, which I'm about to cook after this. So yeah, enjoy this. So like the past few days I've been mixing this PB2 peanut butter with my shakes too. So like that combination of chocolate, peanut butter, cinnamon, and banana is so good. That will definitely like take away my sweet tooth cravings. But today I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I've been mixing that with my protein shakes a lot lately, so just not today. Recommend it though, super bomb. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this up and then start cooking. Today I'm gonna cook up a mixture of some spinach. There's already one egg white in here because it already cracked. I'm gonna be doing 5 egg whites. I'm not gonna use all these whole eggs. Probably just eat one whole egg. Rest egg whites, and then I'm gonna make some chicken. So it's gonna look like. Alright, right here, final products. I like to get a lot of my micros in here. So for this meal, for breakfast or post-fasted cardio. So yeah, so I can get my spinach in. Actually has a lot of protein, a lot of fiber. So when you eat a lot of protein throughout the day, it's good to get your micros in, help digest, so you go poop. And yeah, I'll have this, and then I'll have some oatmeal with this meal. And yeah, that's it for breakfast, or for whatever you want to call it. Alright guys, so change of plans. I'm gonna just eat this meal, just the eggs, because this is enough, I think, and some grapes. It's about 40 grams of protein right there, and about maybe like 15 grams of carbs, pretty low carbs. It's 119 right now, about 220, about an hour after that. I'm gonna eat some oatmeal. I mixed some cinnamon, a little bit of this almond butter got with extra protein from Sprouts, shout out. And then I'll have a scoop of whey as well for that. So basically I just split up those. Instead of having that big meal at once, I'm gonna split those two up, help with my metabolism, and my body works better that way. So I won't be all full, super full at once. Yeah, that's the game plan. So I'm about to enjoy this meal right now. Thank you God. Dank. Finish this up, and then shower, do some work with my clients, and then, can you guys even see me? Alright guys, time for the pre-workouts, oatmeal and banana. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Kind of just chopped up the bananas to the oatmeal. And yeah, I'm about to take a bite. So good. Look forward to this. I'm about to enjoy this right now. Alright, real quick before I leave, I'm going to have a emergency vitamin C to boost my immune system, and then I'll have some rest of the superfoods, primal plants, get all the necessary greens and extra micronutrients that I need, drink that. And then I made a pre-workout shake. It's a scoop and a half whey isolate, and then I got a scoop of pre-workout and a little bit of BCAAs right here. I'm about to take that right before workout, and I'll be filming on this camera right here and show you guys a leg workout. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Our outfit of the day, got some Vans from Korea, Nike Pro Combats, the hat. I'm trying to wear a Nike hat, but I can't find it, so just got this one, elastic one. Yeah, that's the fit. Our 7-Eleven. Alright, just made it 24-hour fitness. It's right back there. I never trained legs here before. Actually just trained one time here. It was arms and chest. So, but it was pretty low-key last time I came, so yeah. Let's get it. This is the gym. I've never been here before on this section, but this is like all the free weights and stuff. And yeah, I'll be squatting here. First I'm gonna stretch for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna start on my warm sets and then my working sets. Alright, this is my 5th set already. Before this I hit 275 for 4 times. Now this one I'll hit 245. I'm gonna hit at least like 6-7 reps, and then I'll drop set down to at least 10 reps. So let's be done. Let's get it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And then after each set, I go and superset with hanging leg raises right here on the side of this bar.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Alright, so this is set number 8. I'm gonna film one exercise per leg movement. So I still do my squat with the drop set and then hanging leg raises for abs. So yeah, that's my last set, and I'll move on to the next exercise. Alright, so I'm already on my 3rd set. First set, I'm gonna go over here and hit dumbbell deadlifts, and I come here to superset with dumbbell lunges.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So that was my superset. 8 forward and 8 going back.
Real quick.
So, can't film?
You can't film.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Alright, they told me I can't film in here, but I don't know why. But I just hit a leg press and I superset it with kneeling cable crunches for core. Now I'm gonna move to the other room and hit quad extensions and then superset with hammy curls. So let's see if I get some footage. I don't know. So quad extensions, I'm doing 3 drop sets and then I'm supersetting to hamstring curls. Same thing, 3 drop sets. That's a superset too, here to there. I'm about to hit some abs right now with this ab machine, ab crunches. Alright, so I just superset it with these 2 ab machines. And I'm about to hit Stairmaster for like 15-20 minutes. I'm done, man. I'm done. Definitely killed that workout. It's so awkward filming in the gym. Like, that's why I like hardly ever make videos and hardly ever record myself film workout. Yeah, they're like, some dude came up to me that works there. He's like, hey man, you can't be filming here. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah. Like, I mean, like, if it was up to me, like, I wouldn't mind, but like, you can't be having people like in the background or anything. I was like, alright, bro, like, for sure. And then other than that, people like just like give me like weird looks and stuff. Like, what was he doing? Like, what's he filming? It's like, bro, I'm grinding, man. I'm like helping people, showing people like what I'm doing and like how to work out in general. But it's so awkward. Like, no one does it. No one films these days. So at least here in Chula Vista, I don't see anyone like with the camera in there. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to drink this whey protein shake. I drank a little bit already, and then I'm gonna have 3 rice cakes while I'm driving home. But yeah, get that quick reacting carbs, quick reacting protein to the muscles. So yeah, that's the plan right now. See ya. Alright, back at the pad. Post-workout meal. I'll eat one of these pollo asada bowls. There's 21 grams of carbs, 23 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat. And then I'm gonna add a little more chicken breast to this. This is all just baked, straight up chicken breast. So yeah, I'll probably add another maybe like 3 ounces of chicken. So a total of 40 grams of protein. And I'll keep carbs at 21 because I just had 3 rice cakes, so that's already 21 grams. So 40 grams protein, 42 grams carbs, and 10 fat. Chilling. But yeah, shout out to Fit Tacos Meal Prep. Thank you so much for keeping me full and keeping me with all these clean gains. Thank you, appreciate it. Alright, it is 6:48. See what's up, Big Mike.
What up?
But yeah, I'm about to go to church. Alright guys, just pulling up to church. I go to Calvary Chapel, San Diego. It's right off Otay Lakes Road, I think. But yeah, I'm not gonna vlog there. I just want to be able to chill and like worship God. I think I'm gonna like stand out because it's like an outdoor service, not outdoor, but I can stand outside and like eat my meal and still like hear the message. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'll let you know what I learned. I'll see you guys after service. Peace. Alright guys, just got back from service. It was basically, we're in Exodus chapter 21 right now. And basically God's talking about the laws that he created for man and for society in general. And basically you are liable for your actions that you take. And yeah, God created these rules from back in time, and how it's changed so much, like in our judicial system. So, but yeah, Exodus chapter 21, that's where we're at right now. Yeah, it was a good message. Right now I'm about to go home, get gas, and then go home. And yeah, you probably eat one more meal around, I eat around 7:40, so probably eat around like 10:40, and after that go to sleep. But yeah, I'll see you guys at home. Alright guys, last meal of the day. Got some chopped up chicken breast from Fit Tacos Meal Prep. Thank you very much again. And then I have a quarter of a white potato and then some spinach. So it's about maybe 20 grams carbs and about 30 grams protein. So today's leg day. Kind of want to talk about legs and just some tips on like what you guys should be doing on leg day. Like when you guys are in the gym, make sure you guys are training, not just like going through the motions, because just like any other workout, your workout could be super great or it could just be like kind of like not so great. All depends on you and how intense you want to train. Whenever you guys, well, first of all, I don't want you guys to like go too heavy and risk injury. Make sure you guys are in proper form and incorporate your drop sets too. That helps so much. So that's part of your high intensity over your workout. Yeah, so make sure you guys are incorporating these things. And I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link right here and in the description. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the video and what else you guys want to see in the future videos. So hope you guys like that. Have a good night. God bless.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and